G'day guys, my name's Ben Guilford, I'm the owner of the Melbourne Favoured company, and today we're just going to do a short video showing you how to use Honeybrix Charcoal briquettes. We've got our beautiful stainless steel grills that we have. You can fire those with lump charcoal, you can fire them with firewood. There's a whole bunch of different firewoods you can get your hands on. You can get really exotic and go for things like grapevine and apple wood and things like that, or you can burn red gum. But today I want to show you a technique for using Honeybrix briquettes. They have a hole down the center. The design of the shape is actually to maximize the surface area. Now these will burn for 6 straight hours. This is all natural material and almost pure carbon and burns incredibly hot and for a very long time. The issue with the Honeybrix is that because they're so dense and because they can burn for 6 hours, they can be a little bit tricky to light if you haven't used them before. Lump charcoal is relatively easy to get up and going, but it doesn't burn for the same length of time. So we're going to show you a technique for firing up the Honeybrix briquettes. So the first thing you're going to want is I think they call it a charcoal chimney. Basically it's a fire starter for charcoal. So you put your charcoal in here, you get a fire going underneath it. You'll notice there's a gap in here, it's about 75 mil deep. And that allows you to get a little fire going underneath it. Usually that's made up of some kind of fire lighter. You put this over the top with your charcoal in it and you just walk away and leave it. And that charcoal will start to burn and you'll find it'll ash over all the way through. We looked around for some natural firelighters, and that's what we'd recommend you use. Try and find something that uses as few chemicals as possible. Unfortunately, we weren't able to find locally for this particular day, we weren't able to find any really beautiful natural firelighters. So what we've used instead is your good old-fashioned kerosene fire starters. So we're going to use those in conjunction with some paper to get it all going. They're going to be hiding underneath all of it. Alright, so first things first, get some firelighters. Now you'll notice that I'm doing this on a fire brick tile, and that's just to protect the surface underneath. These are really good bricks. Every grill that we sell comes with a free tile, so you can set it up somewhere to get your chimney up and going. I'm going to jam my paper into the bottom of the chimney. Before we light these up, we're going to fill the chimney with the charcoal briquettes. Now again, I showed you this before, but I will show you again. They have a hole down the middle, and if you just break them up and sit them in the chimney, they will burn. They're going to take a lot longer. If you stack them in vertically, then the flames will lick up through them. Now some of them are going to be very long, so just break them down a little bit. Okay. We're going to fill the chimney with these pieces, but we're going to have them all stacked vertically. Right, so we're ready to go. We've got our chimney loaded up with charcoal, we've got some paper stuffed in the bottom, and we've got our firelighters in place. I don't like these kerosene firelighters, but they're all we could get on the day. Now you can just light these with a match, but if you've got a grill, there's a good chance that you like fire. And if you like fire, you should demand one of these as a birthday present. Some kind of propane burner or mat burner. They're a beautiful thing. Got them up and going, and now pop that on top. Alright, and if you want, you can give it a little bit of encouragement. And let those charcoal briquettes start to take. So we've got our Honeybrix already preheated. We're going to put in a few extras. Spread those around. And that combined with what we have already is going to be more than enough.